Yoga Sutra 4.21 Chittantara Drisya Buddhi Buddhe Rabhiram Sangha Smriti Sankaratsa. If the mind were cognized by another mind, then there would be an infinite regress of one intelligence being known by another intelligence. Moreover, there would also be confusion of the memory. So this is kind of argument against the thought of the non-self. That if there's no self, there's only mind. In order to be aware of the mind, one would need another mind, and that goes infinitely. It doesn't end. So in order to observe the mind, one would need another mind that is observing the mind, and then in order to observe that mind, then need one more, and so on, so that it becomes like infinite. There's no end for this process. But yoga philosophy says the self is observing the mind. It's not that consciousness is observing, focused on the mind. Mind is not alive in itself. And the confusion of the memory means that there's this infinite sequence. There would come this infinite sequence that one mind is observing other mind, which is observing the other mind, which is observing, and then it becomes impossible to know which one is actually which one is actually real memory. There's mind that is observing other mind, which is observing other mind, and so on. It's kind of mess. So this is the kind of Patanjali's argument to those who say that there's no existence of the self, that mind is the same as the self. Yoga philosophy is the self, and mind is the medium between the self and world. Yoga Sutras Kitsai.